Hello friends, today we'll be treating the interlock or zigzag design. Welcome to Queen's Concept online training class. These are the materials for the design. We have the Autogele, the scissors, pins, your Velcro, matching thread and tape and needle. Now we are going to start by taking the measurement of our design. I cut out about 15 inches length of Autogele in 5 places.
This is what you do. You're going to check. This my Autogele is not up to, the wideness is not up to 6. Assuming it's up to 6, you cut it. You'll be cutting pieces of 2 inches. But this is just 5, so I'm going to fold this into 2. I'm going to fold this into 2. Then I'll secure with my pin. This is it. Secure with my pin. Then I'll shear. This is it. I've sheared it. I've cut it into 2. Then this is it.
Total of everything is 10 pieces. Now for each one, guys, I'm folding it into 2. This way and hold down with my pins. I'm going to sew this down with my sewing machine, and this is how they all look.
These are the cutouts. Look at them. These are all the cutouts. Now we are going to arrange them in a zigzag form. You're going to measure about 3 inches in here. Mark with your needle. Here I've measured 3 inches in. Got it. Now I'm going to place this one on top of this one. This is what I've done. This is what I'm doing. Sit. That's it. Now we're going to take another one and place it on top of this one. Then before then we're going to sew it like this, and like this. This is how we're going to sew it here and here. Then you place the next one on top of this one, following the same line, this line. Look at what I'm doing, and make sure to cover this thread when you are placing the next one. That's what I just did. It's on the same line. Then got the next one. You're going to place the next one here. Remember, we are following the same line. And you're going to bring it close. Yes. You're going to pin it down or sew like this directly to this place. Then you sew directly to this place. Then this is what you will do to all the cutouts. That's again. This is what you do to all the cutouts, following the same line till you finish everything. Now I'm going to take this to the sewing machine and sew them down like this, down, and like this, down. Be right back. Don't do Moses. Yes, this is the joint everything together. This is it. See how neatly it is. See, we covered each one. We covered the threads. We are done. So the next thing to do is to cut out 22 inches just to put the back. 22 inches length mark. We're going to cut it out about 3 places. This is the already cut out 22 inches. You are going to do this, cut it out in 3 places.
Purchase your tracks today.
This is the cutout. Then we are going to join these 3 like this. I've taught you how to join now around Autogele training class. So I'm going to join these together. This is it. This is the cutout. We've joined them. Now we are going to look for the middle. This is the center. This is the center. Gotten the center of the. This is the center. So we are going to place the center here at this center like this. This is it. Look at the center here. I'm going to place it here directly opposite here. Then you pin. You can use your office pin to pin it down, or use this one to have a firm center. Then you're going to sew it like this. You're going to sew it like this down to the edge. Then you're going to turn here and sew it also like this down to the edge. Then now turn it like this.
You cut out the excesses and fold it in. If it's too thick for your sewing machine, you can just use your needle and thread to do it. See, I'm done attaching it together. After which I attach my Velcro and I'm done with everything. Now the next thing to do is to attach my already pleated frame to my base and attach both of them together, and this is how it came out. Don't forget, this is your girl Queen's Concept. Thanks for listening.